The summer break is almost over. Did you make the most out of it? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create a cool intro for the back-to-school season, so stay tuned. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the notification bell and click the subscribe button so you're always in the loop for our latest video releases. Let's start by opening Filmora. To do this intro is quite easy. First, I'll drop the wake-up footage into the timeline. Trim and delete the part which I don't need. Now, I want to add a title animation for my intro, and Filmora already comes with a bunch of school effects for you to use. Under the Titles tab at the top, let's type the keywords Back to School into the searching bar. After the result shows up, I'll select the Back to School 2021 opener into the timeline, next to the wake-up clip, and extend it longer. Next, let's go back into the Media tab and drop the student clip into the second video track. Keep the best moment and delete the rest. And now, I'm going to remove the background. To do this, we just need to go up to the Effects tab and drag and drop the Human Segmentation filter on the student clip. Now, magic happens. The background has been removed. Double-click on the student clip, and on the left editing window under Transform, let's adjust the clip's rotation, size, and position to let the clips and text fit the layout perfectly. In the end, to make the cut smoother, I need transitions. Click on the Transitions tab and select Blind Transition to the student clip under the Lifestyle folder. Then I'll search Battle in the search bar and drag the Battle Royale pack transitions in between the Wake Up and Opener clip. Here you go, easy and fast. If you would like to recreate this video, you can navigate to Filmora Creator Academy in Filmora Video Editor and click Import Template at the bottom left of the video to get the project files. Then replace the default media with your clips. Let me know if you have any ideas or questions in the comments below. We may answer them in our future tutorials. See you in the next video.